Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing something that we studied previously. So let's see what that is. Today we're going to be reviewing the steps to solve a problem. So let's see which one is the first step. This step is to read the whole problem. So every time we see a math problem, we have to read the whole thing. Let's read this one. In which set do all the figures appear to be either a rhombus, a parallelogram, a trapezoid, a rectangle, or a square? Then after reading, we'll do step number 2. Step number 2 states that we have to underline the question and circle important information. After reading all the problem, I noticed that the whole problem is the question. So I'm going to underline the whole problem. Now it says I have to circle the important information, and here says that the first thing I had to do is to find a set that has these shapes here. So I'm going to circle the shapes, which is what they want me to find in this problem. After step number 2, let's see what it states step number 3. Step number 3 says, read the problem and represent it with a picture or model. That means I have to draw the rhombus, the parallelogram, the trapezoid, the rectangle, and the square. So that's what I'm going to do now. In this way, I'm showing what I know. Now, the next step, to do the next step, I have to move the question and the shapes to one side so I can see the next part. Step number 4 says that I had to solve the problem and show my work. To do that, I need to see my options. And these are the options for this problem. In this problem, I have some shapes. Let me just... Okay, here is my 2. Then for option F, I have a parallelogram, a rectangle, another parallelogram, and a trapezoid. So I think this is not my answer because I have 2 parallelograms. So they are repeating shapes. So that's the reason I think that's not my option. Let me go to option G. In G, I have a rectangle, a square, a rhombus, and a trapezoid. All these shapes are here and none of them is repeating. So maybe this is my answer. So I'm going to put a dot there to signal that that could be my answer, but I'm not going to stop here because it could be a trick, or maybe I can find a better option. So I'm going to review all of my options to make sure I have the right one. So let me go and check H. H says that I have a square, a rhombus, a trapezoid, and a rhombus. So if you notice, you have repeated the same shape 2 times. So this is making me think that this is not my choice. Let me go for J. J has a rectangle, has a quadrilateral, but this quadrilateral is not mentioned in the shapes that I draw before. I have a trapezoid and I have another trapezoid, so I have 2 shapes repeated, which made me think this is not my option. Now before going, I have to prove that I'm right because I think G is my right answer. So I'm going to label the sheet with the names. And I'm going to check that I have a rectangle. Yes. I have a square. Yes, here it is. A rhombus here. And finally my trapezoid. So now I'm sure that's my answer. That's going to take me to step number 5, which is select your answer. In this time, I'm going to select G. And finally, I'll go to my last step, which is step number 6. Write your answer statement. After choosing my answer, I have to write an answer statement that tells my thinking to my teacher. So let me see. In this case, I wrote the answer is option G because it has 4 of the 5 shapes mentioned in the problem. And I can even Retell the shapes, which are the rectangle, the square, the rhombus, and the trapezoid. Well, this is all for today. I'm hoping you use this strategy in your problem, in your assignment that you have to do by this Friday. Well, see you next time. Bye.